Very good morning. This is Trello. I am going to be breaking down another daily outlook for you guys. I hope everyone slept well because I did for sure. So, for the DXY, nothing has changed too much. Unemployment claims do come out today around 7:30 a.m. Central Time because I am Central Time. From 231,000 to 233,000. So higher unemployment claims for sure, but not a huge dump. So I am waiting on this supply zone to be tapped, this buy up and then sell down, breaking the lows. Still the same thing. The dollar did sweep liquidity yesterday, so that is a telltale sign that they may be ready to go. Now, whenever news comes out, the dollar could do a huge fake out move to the top side. We've already invalidated this demand, basically mitigated. I am expecting a huge drop from the dollar today. But news can be a bit tricky, so we'll just hold tight. So I expect USD pairs to be on buy mode until about the end of the week, trying to tap this demand here on the dollar. So if we look at USDJPY, I still don't see much on USDJPY. USDJPY is bullish 100%. So it seems like JPY is getting weaker over the DXY's weakness. So that can happen, you guys. The JPY could get weaker over the DXY, and the DXY could get weaker over JPY, even if both are getting weak. So if we go to GBPUSD, as you guys can see, I am in a bit of drawdown on GBPUSD. Didn't quite get the huge push up that I wanted for that 1 to 2 risk to reward, but demand is still holding strong. So as long as demand holds strong, I will be holding this position. And it seems like we are getting some downside momentum because the dollar did do a huge rip with these last two 15-minute candles starting at 5:45 a.m. So hold strong on GBPUSD if you are in GBPUSD. Hopefully we can get some nice support taps. So the only reason why I entered GBPUSD because it was a nice sell down and then buy up, breaking the highs to the left side. And we also had trend line liquidity. So this is a valid demand zone. Now let's just see what GBPUSD has in store for us whenever news comes out. Now, if the DXY does break through supply, GBPUSD will be liquidated. Now, if we look at EURUSD, you guys, I am not in this EURUSD trade. This is a different zone than the zone that I was possibly waiting on. So the DXY could possibly get stronger to come down here and tap this demand, but it's highly unlikely right now. So there is a beautiful trade that one of my members in the Discord sent out. He's only been trading for 2 weeks. He also joined the mentorship. You guys should check it out. So it's a sell down and then buy up, breaking the highs here to the left side of the market. Now he did have some liquidity here, this move right here. So he did get into a bit of drawdown, and then EURUSD pushed up pretty nice. Now he did not get tagged last night for TP, but let's just go ahead and wait on news to go ahead and come out. Okay, guys, for USD CAD, I don't have much on USD CAD. USD CAD is bullish, so you basically could be finding some demand. Well, actually, I rephrase. USD CAD actually is not bullish because, so USD CAD is still bullish until they close underneath this demand here. So this sell down and then buy up. I am expecting USD CAD to turn bearish off the dollar weakness, so I am going to wait on a move like this, basically. Hopefully a sell down and then a retracement back into a sell down, a buy up, creating liquidity, and then a retracement back into the zone for a complete sell down move, just like that. So yeah, I am waiting on USD CAD. Hopefully USD CAD gets weaker because that means that the DXY did get weaker. So if you look at NZD USD, guys, I am waiting on the supply zone on NZD USD with them being bearish. So as you guys can see, we have a buy up and then a sell down, breaking the lows. Now, people might be like, Trello, why are you entering in the supply if price action is bullish once we get there? Price action is only bullish until we close over supply, you guys. So anything in between supply, like in this area right here, is invalid structure. So don't get that mistaken, you guys. We are bearish until we close over this supply here. Now, last but not least, let's look at gold with a beautiful take profit hit last night. If you guys check the daily outlook from yesterday, I had this trade ready. So we have a sell down and a buy up, breaking the highs here to the left side. Gold did have some liquidity as well. So gold breaks into the zone, comes into a bit of drawdown, and then pushes up for a beautiful 1 to 2 take profit hit. Guys, that'll be it for my daily outlooks. Don't forget that the dollar has news today around 7:30 a.m. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as it helps me out a bunch. Also, check out the free Discord.